Okay, guys, I'm just going to demo a custom GPT builder that I created for the purposes of automating, um, adding information to a custom GPT and being able to modify the various different models that are used with the GPT to make a completely private, customized GPT designed for one purpose and one purpose only. You determine that purpose, whether it's for helping stay organized in an individual company or helping keep one project on task. I mean, the sky's the limit. So let me go ahead and open my custom GPT builder. So first off, we're seeing a whole list of a bunch that I have already created. I do need to add a way to delete them, but I just wanted to test all the different types, make sure that all of the functionality, including like the code interpreter and everything else, where's the work? Oh, I must not have run my server. Sorry, 1 second. That's the start. Let's go build. Okay. Now let's run dev. Okay, let's go create new assistant. All right, so you just create the name of the assistant you want to make. So let's say you have I don't know, a company you're working for that you need help organizing your documents. You would just put in your the name here. So let's say, I don't know, test company. I want this GPT to organize and give me help resolving issues using a large storage base of information that includes emails, Slack messages, Confluence, and Jira tickets. And then you want to turn on your code interpreter, your file search. You can add custom functions. I haven't added custom functions yet, but I will be very soon. Then you can upload whatever files you have that you want to use for reference. We can use the one that we did for this SXM demo that I did a few minutes ago. And we go submit. And immediately you have a new custom GPT. You can copy the embed link, and this embed link can go into any website. Let's go. Let's go to google.com. Let's see if we can inspect and just add an embed link somewhere here. Maybe here. Edit as HTML. Let's see, can we add our embed link here? Okay, save. Oops. Enter. All right. So I embedded it down here. I don't know how big that is. Maybe we need embed link somewhere else. Edit as HTML. Let's put it somewhere like here, just below the form. Edit as HTML. Let's put it underneath this form. Okay. Alright, well, that embed link just isn't going to work, but we know that it's an iframe that leads to here. So let's just run this directly. And it's basically a non-modifiable chatbot that any customer can use. Obviously, we would want to make it like a smaller little chatbot that goes in the bottom corner. But let's ask questions. Tell me about your knowledge base. Obviously, we're going to want to add customization here. Stored database is built on model training simply for various purposes. Let's see, did we finish? Can we go back to view this? Okay, so that's there. Please describe all the information in your files, stored files briefly. Tell me what is available. There is a PDF that I've attached that I want you to make all of your responses using the information contained within it. Okay. Tell me about SOA. Very, very frustrating. So if I went to the playground, let's see if the file was actually uploaded. So we have 40 files, test company. It did not upload the files, so I will need to work on the UI for that. Because had it uploaded the files, we would be golden, but since it didn't, basically you get a view of what the UI looks like. And let's see what happened here. Code interpreter did not get set either. Let's see, test company. Okay, code interpreter was set. It was the files just didn't get uploaded. Can you tell me about your files? Project, task management, benefit, learning, development opportunities, company tools, platforms, blah, 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 blah. So it does work. It does create a custom GPT. This is what the end user would see. I need to do some more customization on the UI for ensuring that it uses the right models and that the files are properly uploaded. So there is some more work to be done for this one. But anyways, we've got a decent UI generated. With a little more time, I think we could make a decent custom GPT that can be used on websites. All right, that's all.